If you are a mom in your 20s, 30s, even 40s, raising kids and trying to build or grow your business, listen up, mark your calendars. This is where your 2026 reset starts. My name is 𝐔𝐘𝐒. I am that inner voice, that little devil or angel thing that sits on your shoulder like they float. That's me. But listen, before we dive in, I've got some amazing news. My brand new podcast, Delusional Success Code, January 5th. It is packed with stories, lessons, no bullshit advice to help you level up every area of your life. Now let's talk about 5 things to carry into 2026 if you actually want to win. Too many people start a new year with dreams and things that they end up not doing. Not you, not this year. Here's what you need to take with you to make 2026 completely different. First is clarity of vision. Stop wandering. Stop doing things that don't move. Know exactly what you want, write it down, and repeat it every single day. Everything else is just a distraction. For me personally, I find most clarity when I write things down. My wins, my goals, my frustrations. Seeing it on paper makes it completely real. It shows me what matters most and what to prioritize and what to let go. Number 2, relentless action. Ideas are cheap. Plans are useless without execution. Move every day, do something even if it's small. Momentum beats motivation every time. So for me, I like to start small, even if it's just 30 minutes, after the kids go to bed, writing, calling clients, recording videos. Those tiny actions compound faster than you probably think. Third is a toxin-free mindset. Negative people, negative thoughts, social media action, weed those things completely out. You have to protect your energy. Your mind is your most valuable asset. Guard it like it's a gold medal. I unfollow accounts to make myself doubt-free. I set boundaries with anyone who tries to dim my light. My energy is sacred and it fuels everything that I do. Number 4, strategic relationships. 2026 isn't the year for people to hold you back. Surround yourself with doers, thinkers, and people who challenge you to grow. Influence is everything, so choose wisely. Ask your partner or family to support your schedule. Even small shifts make a big difference. Your circle should push you to grow, not hold you. Number 5, unstoppable discipline. Talent without discipline is wasted potential. Do the things you don't feel like doing and stay extremely consistent. Show up when no one's watching, and that's how you build real results. I like to wake up about 30 minutes earlier to work on my goals before the chaos starts. So that's it. 5 things to carry into 2026 if you actually want to win. Again, number 1, clarity of vision. 2, relentless action. 3, a toxin-free mindset. 4, strategic relationships. And number 5, unstoppable discipline. Keep these things close to you, apply them daily, and watch how your year changes extremely for you. I'm 𝐔𝐘𝐒. I'm that inner voice. And don't forget, my new podcast drops January 5th. So mark your calendars and let's make 2026 your year to crush it, and subscribe for more.